morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Tuesday, the 18th of April 2023, tax day, in case you forgot about it. Time's about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, we started off when we were a bit higher. We've been selling off, especially in the Dow, about 140 points from the highs, off 16 off the high in the NASDAQ. The Russell is still near the highs of the day. We're looking at the dollar, which was down a lot more than this. You can see this. It's rallied back about 26 points. One of the things that's caused the dollar rally, James Bullard was just speaking, and he's in favor of more rate hikes. So here comes the Fed looking at that inflation, saying more. The market is saying, no, Jim, you got it all wrong. You're not going up more. You're going to go in June maybe, and then you're going to have to pause. That's the battle you have going. As you can see in the gasoline and the others, you came down, you got near my downside target. And you're going to say, downside target, you were bullish, and you're right. But the market lost that, lost the embedded reading, and then you go to downside targets, and that's what you're coming in at there. Bonds and notes, after the Bullard statement just moments ago, you can see the reversal here. The market has come back down towards the lows. Grain market, we started off a bit higher in corn. We've given up about 6 cents there, but we are getting bids in the wheat and the beans, and wheat's going to be a problem. Cargill came out today and said, you know, now that they've pulled out of Russia, real pricing power, we're just going to have to rely on Russia to tell it, and you can imagine what that's like. It's like dealing with China. Let's for a moment take a look at today's news. As you can see, the housing starts down 0.8%. They were looking for down 3.5%. This is a good number, all right? It's not a bad number at all. It's 1/4 of what the market was looking for. Where the market did worse was in the permits, but those permits go up and down. You pull, you don't pull. What are interest rates doing? What aren't they going to do? So the starts, that's different. They've actually broken ground. The Red Book retail sales. I keep saying, I think we're going to get negative soon. I was saying it this morning in my subscriber video. And remember, you can always join those subscriber videos of mine by hitting on your YouTube channel at the bottom right. You'll see the word join. That's the place to do it. You can see they're barely up 1%. The API comes out today at 3:30. A number of regional banks are going to report, including the troubled Western Alliance. In that vein, we did get Goldman Sachs and Bank of America. Goldman's numbers were not good. Bank of America was a beat. So you've got one up, the other down today. China, we got Chinese economic data that came out this morning, and you'd say, wow, they're expanding 4.5%. That's a terrible number if you go before the pandemic. So the growth is there, feeble, and now if you project forward, they're saying it's even going to slip a bit from here. Not the best thing you could see. The first reports when it came out, oh, that's good for the world economy. Is it? I could see if it were 6%, but 4.5%, if you compare to where you were pre-pandemic, not the greatest number that you could have seen. So it's putting the market on feebleness, all right? You know, you tried to get up in the gold, you've given up $10 already. Silver's 20 cents off the high. The markets are rethinking, okay, Bullard's talking these interest rates going up again. What are the other Fed members going to talk? That's weighing on everybody's mind. Now, I talk about this and a heck of a lot more every single day with you in my morning videos. And those are the videos where you really get the meat of what I'm about. I'm able to, if you will, give you the trade recommendations, entry, exit, where I think the market's headed with charts. So I'm not just writing, as so many newsletters do, buy here, sell there. That's not what we're doing. We're going to cover everything you see, all the spectrums that you're seeing in the futures markets. There's a new video every weekday morning that the markets are open. I do bonus videos as well. Besides the bonus videos, you get a weekend video where I do it. We're talking swing trades, longer term, shorter term. I am not a day trader. If that's what you're looking for, this is not what it's about. It is about swings. In other words, you can get in now, you might be in 2 weeks, you might be in a couple of days. Remember, the leverage in futures at 90% makes for markets that swing around an awful lot. So how do you get this? It's real simple. You can go to our website, and under the word research, or you can just come right up here give a click to that icon, go in. We have an introductory method for you to take advantage of, and away you go. I look forward to seeing you each and every morning. You have a great day. I'll catch you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up.